Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you through how to watch Patreon videos on TV. Now there are two options we'd like to mention. The first option is to connect your PC through the HDMI to your TV. Then you can transmit what is displayed on your PC on your TV. Just need to make sure that you select the input as HDMI. Then when you're on Patreon on your PC, you can watch the video and whatever is showing on your PC will also be transmitted to your TV. The second option is to use your smart TV. So if you have a smart TV, you don't need to connect your PC. All you need to do is to go over to the web browser on your TV, log into your Patreon account, and then find the video you'd like to watch, and then play it from there. While playing it, you could also locate the YouTube icon, click on it, and it will open the YouTube app on your smart TV. So with these two options, you will be able to watch Patreon videos on your TV. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.